Hi everyone, so the sun is out and the weather is perfect, which means it's the perfect time for a stationery haul. This video is more of an unboxing video because recently I got some packages from Femera.co and I asked them to surprise me with whatever stationery they want to send me. So I have no idea what is in the packages, but I really cannot wait to see what is in them, and I can't wait to show you guys because stationery is always amazing. But I also got some stationery from daily shopping and stuff because I recently went to quite a few shops to get some cute stationery, some highlighters, pens, little notebooks for exam period, so I can't wait to show those to you guys also. Because I myself have this weird habit of buying stationery before every exam period. It just makes me feel happy, you know, new stationery, new things to try out and to just use during exam period, and it just cheers me up a lot. So maybe it's like the same for you guys, I have no idea. Anyways, without further ado, let's get on with the video. Yes. So obviously the first step to an unboxing video is to pick a victim to unbox on, and for me I decided to unbox on my desk. So after unboxing, my desk looked something like this. Yeah, you know, it took forever to clean up, but hey, everything is worth it for stationery, okay? The first thing that I saw when I opened the mystery package of stationery were these perfect little washi tapes. They are so little and cute, like they are like half the width of a normal washi tape, which is so amazing. Like I personally find that to be like the perfect size for bullet journaling, decorating my notes and stuff. And the design is super simple and aesthetic, which I feel like fits me perfectly, so I really truly can't wait to start using it. The next thing are these beautiful metallic markers. I tried them out on black paper and they actually show up quite well. It just takes a few seconds for the colors to actually show up, so you have to be a little patient, and obviously the black color really does not show up well, which means it's good to try them out on white paper also, which I did, and they are beautifully seen. I love the colors so much, and I feel like I will be overusing these in the next few months, which is okay, you know, because metallic pens are awesome. The last thing in the package were these bookmarks. Also guys, it was so pleasurable for me to peel off the plastic wrapping around this box. I don't know, do you guys feel the same way when you peel off plastic wrapping? Because I just love it so much. Anyways, back to the video. There are 30 in total, which means I basically have enough bookmarks to last a lifetime and maybe a few generations. I don't know. But they are super pretty, and I love how all the designs are different, but you know they're designed by one person, if you know what I mean. Yeah. Okay, so the next package had this amazing planner. This planner made me so happy. I love the simplistic floral design of it, and the quality is crazy good. I literally spent a few minutes just stroking the notebook itself, as weird as that sounds. And also, the fact that there are no dates written on the pages makes it even more perfect, because I can literally use it whenever I want, and I can stop using it whenever I want, which is amazing. Yeah, this is definitely Kasey's dream planner, and I'm so freaking happy. I also got this bullet journal, and I'm really excited to start using it with the above metallic pens, washi tape, my own highlighters, little stabilo black pens and stuff. I don't know. I really love to draw and sketch and doodle, so this is the perfect thing for me to start over the summer. Maybe I will make some bullet journal videos for you guys. Now it's time for some real life, real time footage of Kasey trying to open a package. Yeah, I'm so not skilled. I think this whole package took me 1 minute to open, while I feel like a normal person would take only like 10 seconds or whatever, but you know what? At least I opened it in the end, so I'm officially an adult. Yeah, that's logical. Just agree with me, because you love me. And the last thing from the packages was this little marble notebook that I feel like would be perfect for when I have clinicals in med school, like when I visit hospitals, have to take notes and stuff, because it fits into my lab coat perfectly. So it's literally the perfect thing, and I love the marble design of it. I don't know, marble designs are just so simple yet beautiful at the same time. Also, with the packages came some bubble wrap, and you know, I love to pop bubble wraps, so I can't wait to do that when I'm stressed. Maybe I'll even make a little satisfying video of me popping bubble wrap one day. Would you guys like that? I have no idea. Anyway, so these are the products that were sent to me from femera.co. So shout out to them for letting me have these amazing stationery and making me super happy on the first day of exam period. And if you guys are interested in any of these products, be sure to go to the link in the description box or the bio for a 20% off discount. Now let's go on to the very few stationery that I got myself. So recently I got these notebooks, 2 big ones and 2 small ones, because they were honestly really cheap and I loved the outward design of it. So yeah, I started using one of these for scribbling down notes for this specific exam period. So here are some little bits of my notes in the past few days, and yeah, I'm just gonna save these up for the next whole year because I'm gonna mostly take notes on my iPad, but it's also good to sometimes take notes on paper, I feel like. So it's perfect. And also these highlighters were from way back, but I just wanted to show them because I love pastel colors, and these highlighters are gorgeous and so cute and literally the perfect size. Yeah. And I also got a lot of flashcards because I really love using them for studying. I also use the ones online from Brainscape, but sometimes having paper flashcards is also really fun. So here are some of the flashcards I've made in the past few weeks, because I got these quite a while back, but I just wanted to show off my flashcard making skills. Anyways guys, so I think that this is the official end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little stationery haul because I really enjoyed it myself, and I really enjoyed filming, editing it. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, share, and do all that stuff because it really helps me and my channel out. And yeah, I hope that you guys have an amazing week ahead of you, or weekend, yeah, an amazing weekend ahead of you, and that you basically just enjoy every single moment. And if you have exam period like I do, I hope that you study well, work hard, and also don't forget to take lots of breaks in between, to take a walk, to exercise, to go bouldering or whatever hobby that you have. be sure to leave down in the comment section what exams you have, and just because I'm curious and I want to know more about you guys. And I guess this is the end of the video. I love you guys a lot, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.